Alright guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here, Zante, Tsilivi. We're going to take a walk. We're going to go to Tom and John's pool bar. We're going to get a beer, get a mythos. And yeah, let's see Wagwan. You know the vibe. So we've just watched the last one in the series. I just finished there. I'm going to carry on. I thought I had my, I got my mic on and I had the mic on the camera, so I don't know if my voice sounded a bit echoey or something. I don't know, I'm unsure. So obviously I haven't listened back right now, but if it does sound trash, sorry about that. I'll sort it out for this one. It's quite windy around this side actually at the moment. If you're ever in Zante and it's windy and you want to go to a beach where it's no wind at all, take yourself to Grakas. Grakas has a massive drop, like a stairway getting down to the beach. So there's no wind. So that's my favourite beach. Especially if you come in March, April, with weather is a bit hit and miss. But you can go to Grakas every time. Perfect, every time. So get yourself down there. And there's a video on the channel anyway. Check the channel out. You'll see Grakas Beach. And I've done one with the white sandstone cliffs, I think it's called. Check that one out as well, because that's at Grakas Beach. And yeah, you better see it all. But yeah, there you go, my boy's got on the vlog now. You alright? So yeah, he said hello to me just before I started the last vlog a minute ago. But yeah, check the water, it's very shallow going all the way out. So if you're worried about it getting deep, I think you can walk really far. It's not deep at all. But yeah, let's show you the view as we're going around. See this seaweed here? They pickled it up by the time you lot get here in May. End of May, sorry. June. And July, it will be gone. So let's see if there was much damage done up here for the winter on this side of Tsilivi Beach. Just looks so shallow all the way out. Me and Sabrina were swimming in it last year, and you start walking out, it's one of them beaches where you start walking out, goes up to past your ankles, and then boom, it's back up, back down to really shallow again. So yeah, Scotsman came in last year. I said to him, "You got to do a beach walk because that's where some of the bars are, especially in Zakynthos. A lot of the beach bars are obviously on the beach. So people get scared to film on beaches. It's public. Let's film it all." I think some people love to be in the vlogs. Some people love to be, watch back, see themselves. Other people, I won't say they're shy, but they get a bit funny. So check out that one there. I'm going to go down to the beach. I haven't actually stepped on the beach this year, so here we go. Should just walk in the water, shouldn't I? I think I'm going to get in the water at Zakynthos. Head down there tomorrow. We actually stay in, normally stay near the strip. Yeah, just off it. This one's a bit more, if you're going round to the marina before Como Island. Never stayed there before. Every place we stayed in is high rated, so we didn't go for anything under a 9 on booking.com. But some places are cheaper than others. Well, actually no, I think they're all about the same actually. Umbrella and sunbed is 22 for 2 sunbeds, 1 umbrella. In Zakynthos you can just buy a drink and they give you it for free. So let's get past these people. Jet skis 10 minutes, €30. I don't know. Again, I'm unsure about these prices. It's only a bit of fuel in it. It's not like they use normal diesel, but the price of diesel's gone up. So maybe, I'll show you the bar. This one here. So a little bit of damage, you can see. Bit of decking out over the top of it. What's that, boutique? I'll hold you guys up so you can see a bit better. But yeah, I'm at Freddy's. Freddy's, always busy on Freddy's. It always does not badly priced beers. But yeah, you got the little cabanas there. I like Freddy's. Went there last time, had a beer. Really nice. There's the back of a hotel. Or is it still Freddy's? All day, look. Apartments, €2 per set all day. So you get €12, sorry. So you get this one, much cheaper. There we go, I've got to go in the sea now though. So, wet feet time, guys. Ooh. Lucky I'm not wearing socks today, my Crocs. Oh, wet Crocs are not good when you're walking in the sea. I feel really slippery. I have squeaky feet now as well. Oh, God, wow, it's cold. Pay that much. Woo. Get out of that. Take this one. Be nice, stay up there, wouldn't it? And you have this on you, right for the view. Absolutely perfect. You've got Mondo Life Cafe there. I said we're going down to Tom and John's pool bar and take some beers. Chill out for a few hours. Get some dinner, I think. And really shows what we want tonight. So there's another TUI hotel we're coming up to. Is it this one or is it the next one? No, next one. It's a big TUI. You can see this one looks quite cool as well. Everything looks new this season. You know, as in they've renovated, not new, which is good. Full body massage. 60 minutes, 45. There you go. Some lovely massages. I'm aching everywhere actually, to be fair. Had a lot of walking around the last couple of days. We haven't stopped. If you're watching the series, we haven't stopped. We've been to Marmaris and Ishmael in Turkey. Took the ferry over to Rhodes, Greece. Went to Falavaki. And then we went to Athens from there. Had a day in Athens. Had a really nice Japanese food there, quite cheap. And then then we went to Zakynthos, Zante, where we are right now. And yeah. So this one is a TUI. Oh, excuse me, they got all the deck chairs out. I thought there was something about no deck chairs this season. Write in the comments. Maybe it's not Tsilivi, maybe it's just Zakynthos and Kalamaki. I'm unsure though. I haven't really went into it, but this hotel goes all the way back. All the way back. And at night time they've got like acts on. And they've got a big bit at the back there where they have all the acts on. So you can get all-inclusive in this one. Maybe they just do all-inclusive because I can't see how they're going to cook in there. Probably don't have cookers in the rooms. But you can get rooms with pools. Look at that one up there, it's got a jacuzzi. I don't know if you can see it. It's right in the middle, it's behind that tree actually now. But at the top, there's a jacuzzi on that one. I wonder how much that costs to have a jacuzzi. There's one in Tenerife that I'm going to book that has a jacuzzi. This is Tsilivi Beach hotel. But yeah, we're going to go to Tenerife and the Canary Islands in October. We're going to do the Canary bounce, do them all over maybe a week and a half max. So Tsilivi Beach, yeah. And yeah, I just can't believe they charge so much for, you know, you're gonna buy beers. Here you go, boys. Here you go, boys and girls. And yeah, so you're gonna buy beers, you're gonna spend your money, so they should give it for free. Why should you have to pay for a sunbed? And the ones with cushions on, do you know how many people are sweated on them cushions? Do you know that they don't wash them? Think about that. You're literally sweating on someone else's sweat. No thank you. Just take my towel lay on the floor. Not worth it. Right, so here, up here, it's up towards Tom and John's. We're gonna have squeaky feet now. This is the pool bar. Very nice. We had many beers in here before. And on this side, the Secret Beach Club. Let's stick you up. Show you over the wall so you can see it. Obviously, I can't see what you guys are seeing, but I can just about actually. How's that looking for this year, guys? Looks like the sunbeds are all out. Ah, my feet are proper wet, sandy. I never trust like a cash machine like that. I'd never trust that. But I guess it's safe for your card, not my card. Yeah, show you in this bit here. So you've got the bar. Got a bar and little place where you can sit, eat. Looks really nice. These little buggies. Let me know if you've ever hired one of these. Are they automatic? They look it, don't they? But yeah, Tom and John's just up here on the right hand side. It's like, I didn't know they had a hotel on the other side of the road as well. So Taverna Nove 39 is just there. Yeah. Someone whose wife doesn't know he's on holiday. Didn't want to be on it. He's there with their mistress, obviously. Do what you got to do, innit? You only live once, guys. If you found your love, love her. If not, love more. Love others. Life's too short to worry about that. And we've got squeaky feet now as well, so it's absolutely perfect time to be wrapping this one up as we walk into Tom and John's here. But yeah, check this one out, very nice. But here we are, so let's see if Sabrina's here waiting for me. There she is on there. Is she? Is she? If not, we're going in anyway. So guys, let me just wrap this one up here for you. So we're at Tom and John's. There she is, a pool, everything at the back. We're going to do. Say see you later. So this is Wagwan Tours, Kirk. I'll catch you on the next one.